thank you honestly for the warm welcome and the assurance you've given us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The food basket plan is, we're not just doing this plan. Anytime you don't have enough food, let me know. So he's doing this thing for the interest of the nation. And I understand from my inquiries that this is the biggest tactical air command in Nigeria. So for us, it is a privilege that we are playing host to the biggest tactical air command in Benue State. So we have no reason whatsoever. That shouldn't be a problem. And the investment that the federal government, that our country, Nigeria, did in that place is massive. So we must appreciate it by reciprocating and ensuring that we provide a comfortable environment for the Nigerian Air Force. Almost all of them who are here are from somewhere. They are posted there to help us, to help our country, Nigeria. These are people who are paid, already signed and agreed that if there is need to pay supreme sacrifice, they will do it. I'm aware of security men in Benue State from 2017 to date. More than 100 of them have died in the course of protecting Benue citizens. They have been killed. The cost of protecting them. Us, here. If not to them, we wouldn't have been here. So, I've always said that Benue people, security agencies, wherever you see them, whether Army, Air Force, Civil Defense, Police, the DSS, please respect them and give them support. Benue people, I'm still calling on you to ensure you respect our security men. Even when there are excesses from their part, please be decent enough to report them. We'll handle them through legitimate means. We'll report them to the authorities and it will be handled. But don't go against any security man in the state. They are the reason, by the grace of God, that we're here. They have paid so much. They have been paid. And some of their families are living in pain even as of today because their breadwinners are no longer there. These are sacrifices that we need to reciprocate. And so, please, Benue people, I beg you as your governor, let us give support to these people. We believe that God will bring us stability. If me as governor or president of our country cannot give us the required support that is needed, God will do it himself because we're all creation of God. And so one day things will be okay. It's difficult now. So I commend you and to advise our people, especially from the immediate community. Let nobody go to the land, whether it's in dispute or it's not in dispute, but where the Nigerian Air Force are claiming that is their land, don't go to that land. If you have anything, report to government. And we can take it up with them and handle it. Don't go there and try to force yourself upon that land. But Ministry of Works should expedite their action. And was it 350 hectares that the Air Force accepted to give back to the community. And that was what we all agreed, including members of the community. The chairman of local governments were there. All the chiefs were there. I was there myself with my deputy governor and other prominent sons and daughters of this land. So don't go there. If you go there, you're on your own. We have not permitted you and we're not supporting you to go there. If you have anything, report to us and we'll take it up. with the Nigerian. Don't go and join issues with Nigerian Air Force there whatsoever.
Thank you very much.
So, I've said it, the ministry should work fast and report to me where we are. That I'm ready to work with them to put this matter to rest so that everybody can go about their normal business. So once again, we thank you very much. We look forward that you will not disappoint the Chief of Air Staff who sent you here. On our part, as your brothers, in our past, as your kinsmen, we will stand with you, we will support you, whatever you will require that is within our limit to support you to succeed, in order not to disappoint your principal. I want to assure you that we will do it.
Thank you
Thank you very much. You are welcome, and please, our doors are open. Usually the security advisor will be handy at all times, even when I'm not seeing, but he knows how to get me. So if there's anything at any day, even in the dead of the night, at all times, you can access me. I can discuss this. Once again, thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.